Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I think a really good way to update the look in your home without making too many changes is just simply to change out your pillowcase covers. I love these ones that I got from Caflife because they're simple and versatile. I love that they're textured, which gives them a really nice look, and they're not just plain and boring. The stripes on them are so cute. They have these little tassels every 2 inches or so. It really gives it a cute look without being overdone with huge tassels. I got the 12 by 20 inch pillowcase covers, and I love the color of these. These are stone gray with off-white. It matches not just my living room area, but also in my bedroom. So I love that I have the versatility to use it in different locations. And that's what's really nice again about this design. It's not too complicated that it's going to clash with other things that you might have going on. It really blends in well with different aesthetics. I appreciate the attention to detail on these pillowcase covers also. Not only do they have an invisible zipper, which gives it a really nice finished look, but also the stripe is the same on both sides. That's something that kind of drives me crazy when stripes don't match, and I really like that they took the time to make sure that it met up on the seams. These are great pillowcase covers. I'm really pleased with them, and I think you will be too. And that's my point of view.